Hello there. In today's edition, we look at My First Human Body book. So, in this book, we are going to look at very interesting topics and series of information from this book. I hope you are going to watch up to the end. So, as you can see, there are some questions just at the cover page, which are saying, what is a hiccup? How do you speak? Where is my DNA? So these are some of the questions this book would like to answer on our behalf, as well as you will be also you are going to learn how your body works with this funny and fascinating book. So sit back and also relax as we run through this book together. So we first start by looking at it is made up of billions of small cells. Every cell has a job to do. Cells work together to build up your bones, eyes, heart, and other body parts. Your body parts let you eat, sleep, talk, play, read, and color. Apart from that, we have the blood cells. So each human being has got blood cells. So these are the skin cells, and then we have the nerve cells, the muscle cells, and the body cells, the bone cells. So these are the ones that we are talking as an amazing. Your body is amazing because it comprises of different body cells. So it has got billions of cells that work independently and also specifically, or that have got specific functions. So these are the types of cells, body cells we are going to look at. I've got the blood cells, red blood cells, I mean. Then we have got the skin cells, we have got the nerve cells, then we have got the muscle cells as well as the bone cells. Okay, on the first page, on the second page, let's see what the second page has. Quite amazing. So here we find that um, we have the skull, which is like a helmet. Its function is to protect. This is the skull here. It protects the brain. So, like in mines, when you see the miner wearing a helmet, those helmets are able to protect the head of those miners from head injuries. Then you have got an interesting bumpy bones running down your back. These are the bump bones running down your back. These bones, their functions is to protect and also make you twist left or right. And then these bones, these bumpy bones are collectively called the backbone. They are backbones. When we look at the front part here, we will see that these backbones, they are joined by some ring bone-like structures. We call them the ribs that form a hard cage. And then this hard cage, it protects the heart and also the lungs, or it is found around the heart and the lungs, and their functions is to protect the heart and the lungs from damage. All right. I hope you are able to follow. Now hold up, look at this message here. It says that under your skin are muscles and bones. Your bones are hard. Of course, we know very well that the bones are hard. They hold you up and give you shape. So the functions of the bones here, we are saying it is to hold you up and give you shape. More than 200 bones make up your skeleton. So the group of bones of different shapes and sizes is what we call the skeleton. In your body, you find that there are more than 200 bones working together to make you, to hold you up and also to give you your shape. Thank you very much. Let's look at chapter here. So we see that between or at the end of each bone, there is what we call a joint. All right, there is a joint. So these joints, they are they play an important role to our human to our well-being, because they are able to help us do what? Bend those bones. So the places where bones meet are called joints. So this place here and this one, anywhere where the bones at the end of each bone here, you can see here, this is the end of each bone, and there you can see these are what we call joints, right? So there are different joints there are different joints that do different things, right? Take for instance, we have the elbow joint. The elbow joint is there to help you bend like a door hinge. We've seen here, and also you can try it whilst you are home. Try to lift to bend your arm like this one here. You find that it is going to look like that one. Then you have got the hip. The hip there we have got a ball and socket joint, and this lets you move your legs and arms in circles. So even when you are dancing, because you are dancing, it is because of this type of a bone. So this type of a joint helps you do what? Move your legs and arms in circles, as well as moving your waist in circles, right? When dancing or when twerking, those that likes twerking. Yes. Then you have got the pivot joint. The pivot joint there, we have one there, which is a pivot joint, lets you turn your head from side to side, or not. To some extent, we can say no. So we have got the longest and largest bone in the human being is called the thigh bone. So you can see the thigh bone here. This thigh bone is the longest and the largest bone. Then if you are in junior or upper secondary, or you are doing tertiary, we have the bones that are found in the ear, the ossicles, the incus, the areas. These bones, they are the one of the smallest bones in the in the skeletal system. Okay, I hope you are enjoying so far, and let us know if you are enjoying. Okay, so quite interesting. We have just talked about the bones, the skeletal muscle, I mean the skeleton, and where we said one of the major functions of the skeleton is to shape your body and also make you move. What about the muscles? So we are saying muscles are powerful because they are the ones that makes your muscles are able to make your bones move. So your muscles may move them. Move what? The bones. So your bones can't move on their own. Their muscles move them. Muscles attach to most all the bones in your body. They are called skeletal muscles. They can control your skeletal muscles just by thinking about them. Okay, let's look at if you are bending your arm like this one, or you're lifting something. If you are lifting something, then it means that you are going to pull up on your lower arm. So which are these? We have got two muscles that are acting here on this particular. We have the biceps, and then you have got the triceps. Okay, so when you are lifting something, it pull up on your lower arm. So it's this lower arm that is pulled. Okay, in this regard, we are saying when you bend your arm and make a muscle, your biceps just got shorter and thicker. Your biceps um, got shorter and thicker. This is what you are able to see here. This is what you are able to see here. So when you bend your arm and make a muscle, your biceps just got shorter and thicker. So this is what we have seen here. Whereas the triceps do what? It becomes thin and also longer. So that means you are bending your arm. So elbow joint, this is where they attach. Okay, so we have seen that the biceps are able to touch on the arm there, and then we have got here they are holding somewhere here. There are two stripes here. So because two sides here, they form what we call the biceps. Then you have got triceps. You can see the joints, they are different endings. That's why they are saying the triceps here. So you can see there. Then you have got the elbow joint here. Remember, we have talked about joints where the two bones meet. That junction is called the joint. So can you figure out which muscle pulls the arm bones down when you straighten your arm? Can you? So you can just send this answer in the inbox so that we can learn together. So apart from the muscles that are found in our arms, we have also muscles which we that are found inside. Certainly, vessels. So muscles also make your insides work. Some of these muscles are smooth muscles. They are not attached to bones. So smooth muscles are muscles, that is the point, that not attached to any bones, right? So where are these muscles found? So in the blood vessels, we find that there are smooth muscles. Then we have the stomach. So in the stomach, we stomach has three layers of muscles. The first muscles are called smooth muscles. Okay, you can see their arrangements. Then we have got or three layers of muscles. So they are still the smooth muscles. You can see them, right? Thank you. So now we can there are smooth muscles in your stomach, eyes, and the blood streams, okay, or blood vessels. Each eye has six muscles, as you can see here. Each eye, this is the human eye, or the eye has six muscles, and these muscles are able to enable us control the amount of light entering the eye and also leaving the eye, right? Then the heart muscle, only the heart muscle has beats, okay? Your heart muscle works without you thinking about it. So what do we call the muscle that makes up the heart? Another question for you. So that is another question, okay? Okay, thank you. So okay, so these muscles are able to enable us do a lot of activities. Let's check on this one. So muscles make us beat, beat, beat. Which one is beating? The heart is able to beat. Run, jump, hop, stop. Put your hand on your chest. Feel something beating. It's your heart. Hard work. So that's what you should do. So if you jump, you hope, you will stop. At some point you are going to find something beating, and what is beating on the chest is what we call the heart. So we are saying your heart is a muscle. Your heart is a muscle the size of your fist. Okay, so this is the size of my heart. As you can see, this is the size of my heart. This is the fist. So if my heart is as big as my fist. Okay, that's what you should do. You should know. So your heart beats all day and all night. It has never rested. It doesn't rest. Once it stops beating, it means you are dead, right? So this is the heart here. So when your heart beats, it pumps blood to every part of your body, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. That's what it does, right? Good job. So now, here we have we want to enter into the heart and see what is the heart made up of, apart from it just being a muscle, a muscle fiber. So here we have got the right and the left. Okay, so the heart is divided into the right and the left side. So in this regard, we have got the vena cava, which delivers blood to the heart. Okay, the vena cava is bringing blood to the heart. So from different direction, from the upper bottom or the upper part of the body and the lower part of the body, the blood enters the right side of the heart through the vena cava, right? Then the blood also is able to go out of the heart to all parts of the body through the aorta, which is the biggest artery, right? Then you also have the the blood going to the lungs for oxygen. So from the lungs, the blood comes back. So now somebody might be interested. What do we call the blood vessel that takes blood to the lungs? We have the left. In this case, you can see here blood, oxygen-rich blood returns to the left side. This blood here is not rich, and this one is also not rich. It contains what? Carbon dioxide, or it is rich in carbon dioxide. Okay, thank you. Um, then we have the left side of the heart pumps oxygenated blood, or blood rich in to all parts, oxygen blood rich to all parts of the body, whereas the right side pumps blood to the lungs, which is rich in carbon dioxide. Okay, thank you very much for following us. We are going to end here for today, but next time we're going to continue so that we can see how other systems are able to work inside our body. Thank you for watching.